All right. So this is just a review over integers. So before we dive into what an integer is, we're going to write down what our target is. So this is level 2 for target 1 of signed numbers, where we are going to represent addition and subtraction. There we go. Addition and subtraction of signed numbers. That little pound sign means numbers using a number line. So that's our target that we're working towards. This is level 2. So our first vocab word is opposite. Two numbers that have the same distance from 0. Two numbers that have the same distance from 0. So if I think about, so my first question here says, what is the opposite of -7? So here is 7, -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's -7, and it is 7 spots away from 0. So what else is also 7 spots away from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be +7. So the opposite of -7 is +7. Same thing with 4. What is the opposite of -4? The opposite of -4 is positive. +3. No is +4. And then what is the opposite of +2? Remember, if it doesn't have any sign in front of it, it's positive. So what is the opposite of +2? It's -2. Now, what I want you to do here, we just wrote down a vocab word. So you're going to go to your teams, and your teams looks different from my teams. So I do apologize about that. Let's see. So you're going to go to your team. So my team is, I've got pictures of Brian. So you're going to go to your team. And then you're going to find your math vocabulary. Okay, it's a PowerPoint. And hopefully you'll be able to open it. Sorry to put these students on blast in my class. Okay, so I want to view this as a student. Student view. There we go. So this is what it's going to look like on your end. So you're going to open it up. Okay, so these are all, or a big chunk of all the vocabulary words you're going to have this year. And so you're going to need an Apple Pencil. Ugh. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to do this laying down on my couch, and it's making it hard to breathe. So let me think a minute. Okay, so our first word is opposite. So we just did that in our notes. So what we're going to do is we're going to write down the definition. What did we write down as our definition? Two numbers that have the same distance from 0. So let's write that down. You actually have to open it in your in PowerPoint. It won't let you edit from here. Okay, so opposite. So our definition is two numbers that have same distance from 0. And then we're going to put examples. So you could use the examples that we have here. We have examples of -7 and 7 are opposites. -7 and 7. Oops. We could do 10 and -10. So come up with a few examples, and then you're good to go. All right, once you're done with that, you can move on to the next video.